Okay. Oh. Yeah, this area seems okay. Is that a dead cat? Oh, another stoplight. Great. This is crossing the highway. And then it's after the highway that it's not too much further. Oh. Okay, he works on a 55 road. Alright. Yeah, I'd much rather drive out, bicycle out. It looks like bicycling this way would be unpleasant right now. Or any time, really. Time. Community college? Veterinary, okay, no. Gas station. Shouldn't be too much further. There it is. Okay. And I'll just park in front. I saw people parking in front. Yeah, maybe just off to the side or something.
hop in it and
Okay, yeah.
mash your clutch and stuff.
All right. It's not an adjustable seat. All right. So what should I do? Start it up or?
Yeah, start it up.
Yeah, it's all right. And I unplugged the dashboard.
What now?
I just saying I unplugged the dashboard because the lights go crazy. Should I roll down the window or?
Just fire it up right quick.
Okay. So that's good, and then going into for. You know that I read that there's tests. There's tests you do, like you put it in third gear and then you put it halfway or something.
Is it slipping like in third or fourth or fifth?
No, it's not slipping. So the discs are fine. I think it's the small bearing that.
Throwout bearing?
I think it's the throwout bearing.
Well, most time if it's throwout bearing, I think you may have transmission problems.
Oh, okay.
I think it may be more than just a clutch.
All right.
By the way you're talking.
Yeah, I would just ask for a clutch, and if it really is, I would pay for that service. But if it really is the transmission, then yeah, I guess that'd be a loss. I know you probably don't. That's bigger job.
Well, I mean, you gonna have the transmission out and put the clutch in it.
Yeah, you got to pull that out. But the transmission is a different job from just changing out the clutch.
Well, sort of, but no. You don't want to pull it out, put a clutch in it, and then the transmission end up being bad.
I would take a chance and just say it's, I would go with what the transmission is at. You think, how do you test for transmission? I don't.
Well, I got to drive it and see.
Oh, you want to? I mean, you want to try?
You said I only done it in third and fourth.
It's the first gear that gives the sound. How far do you have to? Do you want to drive down?
Yeah, just right down the road.
Down the road. Okay.
First gear.
Let me plug in the. Yeah. Well, it's. See, I pushed cruise control at going down a hill at 55, and the RPMs shot up to 6,000, and then after that is when the clutch problems started. It was stiff, pushing the clutch all the way down for a little bit, and then it normalized. And it was slipping just a little bit going up a hill for a little bit, but then it normalized. It like something worked itself out.
Most of the time, if you have Did you say it only does it in first gear?
First, it's worse in first, and then second gear it's less worse. Starting from a stop is worse.
Coming down here?
I drove it for about 300 miles after the accident happened, where it shot up to 6,000 RPMs. And
drive it and see if you hear. I mean, I don't hear nothing.
You don't hear it? Oh, you don't really notice it? I'm sensitive to it, I guess. It's when I'm going into first gear. It grinds. It never used to grind before. mean, you think it has some life to it then, possibly, if you can't really detect anything.
Right now, I'm not really hearing nothing.
It's a bit of a grind. It's just towards the end when I'm lifting up on the pedal. That was never there before. Well, I mean, if it's not, if you don't find it as detectable, maybe I could put another 1,000 miles on it or so.
That's possible, but you'll never know where you're going from here.
North, Paducah.
Well, the only thing about it, the further north you get, the higher the labor and all that is.
The higher what you mean, like per hour they charge?
Yeah.
What do you charge? $100 an hour?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, it's
85 actually.
80. Okay, yeah, that's what I've been hearing kind of south. I stopped at a few other mechanics just to ask.
I mean,
I don't.
I mean, it may make it 1,000 miles. It may make it 200 miles. It may make it 10,000 miles. I don't really know.
Okay.
But right now, I mean, you're looking 3 or 4 days to.
Yeah, to do the type of work. Maybe it's better just to try running it into the ground, just to actually get a confirmation that it's, you know, it has to just die for
Well,
then.
It don't have to, but I mean, it's just.
Yeah. All right. Because you have experience. You look like an older guy. I mean, you've seen worse. You've heard and seen worse than this.
A lot, yeah.
Okay. I'm just sensitive.
Yeah.
That could be it. Okay. I don't know what to say. I guess, you know, why have the work done if it's not too detectable? I mean, thanks for testing.
Oh, you're welcome.
I'll just leave. We can just leave it at that, I suppose.
Okay.
So, yeah. I'll talk to Bean and let him know I'll just hold off. Just.
Okay.
Take it further. Wait for something worse, something more concrete. Like, yeah. Okay. All right. I don't mean to hold you up.
That's fine.
Thank you.